But you can only get out of the fast what you put in it. It's important that you go on the fast correctly, and it's important that you maintain the fast correctly, and it's important that you come off the fast correctly. If you come off the fast with a whole lot of combinations of food, heavy starches, you have just ruined everything that you've done. You want to come off of it gradually, go into it gradually, just as nature introduces you to food gradually. So we, for instance, the first day of getting into the fast, we'll just use 3 days. So the first day before, on this 3-day period before we go into the fast, we're eating apples, oranges, bananas, papayas, mangoes, and we're eating quite a variety of fruits. Because fruits cleanse the body, whereas vegetables tend to stabilize the body, so we want to cleanse the body. And so we're eating those combinations of fruits, and then we reduce it down to, say, 2 or 3 pears and apples and oranges, and then on the 3rd day, that's the day before the fast, we eat only one type of fruit, the fruit of our choice, whatever fruit you choose. And then we go into the fast, which can be a liquid juice fast, as I mentioned before, or a water fast. Now, we don't want to go into a week or 2-week or a month fast. We're not trying to do anything heroic here. We'll probably go into a 1-day fast to start off, and then gradually work our way to 2 days or 3 days or a week of just fasting on liquids, knowing that we have to dilute these juices because they're too concentrated. So when you're making raw orange juice, you want to drink 1/2 raw orange juice and 1/2 water. Mix them together. And then you want to drink 1/3 orange juice and 2/3 water. Mix them together until the 3rd day of the fast you're drinking just water. And then you go out of that fast the same way you came in. 1/3 juice, 2/3 water. 1/2 juice, 1/2 water. And then you're drinking just the plain juice by itself without the water. And then you're going back into eating 1 type of fruit, then 2 types, then the combination, and then you're out of the fast again. So you can approach the water fast that way and the juice fast that way, knowing that there are certain healing elements involved in all the fruits and vegetables. They are usually based on the color breakdown of the melanin. The pineal gland makes the melanin, and it has a color breakdown, which we call indigo, violet, blue, and orange, and red, and green. These are the colors made from melanin. And we want to concentrate into our fruits the same way. We want to use a variety of colors, which gives a variety of nutrients, which stimulates the hormones in the fruits. Because fruits possess hormones, and these same hormones go into your body and stimulate the hormones in your body. Hormones drive the energy, give it a direction, tell it which way to go. So we are driving the pineal gland, which stimulates the pituitary, which makes a melanocyte kind of stimulating hormone, melanocyte stimulating hormones, which stimulates the melanin in the pineal gland. So we're getting into the whole triangle of the glandular system. We're stimulating each gland by the various colors. Usually, when you're dealing with the colors, the higher colors such as the sun, which is yellow and orange and red, and you're coming down to the darker colors, you're coming closer to the earth. You're coming closer to the original source of the color, which is the pineal gland. So we want to use a variety of colors. We want to use purple fruit, such as grapes, and we want to use orange fruits, and we use green fruits, such as oranges, which are dyed orange by the Europeans. They're not really orange. So we want to use a variety of fruits, and the fruits that have a variety of colors, because usually they have at least 1 to 2 colors to the skin. They possess 1 or 2 or more colorings that stimulate the body. Because the body is a rainbow-producing instrument. The more of the rainbow you put in the body, the more of the rainbow you get out of the body. That's why it's important while you're on the fast to stimulate your pineal gland by blinking at the sun before noon and afternoon to help stimulate that pineal gland. That should be done every day, as well as taking a bath every day, because the toxins are being released through your skin and you want to get them out. So you take a bath to help flush those toxins out and get them off your skin. And the waste is accumulating because, as I mentioned before, you have this ship that's sinking. So the body's throwing away all the excess baggage. And so all this excess waste is accumulating in the colon, small intestines, large intestines. So enema would be necessary. Enema can consist of catnip herb tea, which relaxes, and you can use a stimulant kind of tea also in that, a little bit of lobelia. Or you may want to add 1 or 2 leaves of senna, which is a laxative, to help get the waste out of the system.